As per recent data, most nations are struggling with inadequate and unreliable anti-drone systems, which pose a severe threat to the security agencies and armed forces that patrol the most critical border areas confronted by drones carrying drugs, firearms, and ammunition. Several incidents have been taken into account where hostile UAVs have been found violating the security of diplomatic facilities, including government buildings, nuclear power plants, military bases, and sensitive border areas. The troops face a difficult time guarding long borders with such a few anti-drone systems because of their limits in terms of direction, range, and the ability to identify other drones, particularly smaller ones. And to provide a solution to this major critical issue, Shoghi provides a new, highly upgraded and reliable anti-drone system. The most effective and efficient anti-drone system offered by Shoghi comes with a variety of high-end perks and characteristics, including the following: the capability to distinguish friendly drones from hostile drones and provides auto color code on radar display for visual confirmation. Can conveniently scan, locate, identify, and eliminate UAV, drones and quadcopters. A remarkable detection range of up to 50 km and a neutralization range of 15 to 16 km. It only takes 5 seconds to detect UAVs, drones and quadcopters. Can jam all types of GNSS, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Compass, BEIDOU, and UAVs, drones, quadcopters command and control links employed by it. These are just a few of our anti-drone system's highly specialized capabilities. For more information, please visit shoghi.com.